Healing vision exercises, key principles to enhance your sight. Unlock the secrets to enhance vision. Discover the transformative power of healing vision eye workouts and how to perform them correctly. I'm excited to share with you some essential tips for doing healing vision exercises and the importance of performing eye workouts correctly to truly benefit your vision. Many people jump into eye exercises without proper knowledge, trying moves they seen online like eye rotation, tracing patterns. Often they quit after months without seeing improvements because they were not doing that exercises right. Here's how to make eye exercises work for you. First, avoid eye muscle fatigue. When you start any eye exercise, the moment you feel any sign of eye fatigue, stop immediately. This is crucial because if certain movements tire your eyes, it indicates those eye muscles aren't ready for such activity. Pushing through the limits can lead to eye muscle fatigue and a dislike for the exercises, making you less likely to continue. Plus, overworking your eyes can worsen vision issues. Second, find joy in the process. Enjoying the exercises and the moments of relaxation is the key. Learn to focus on every sensation of your eyes. Understand how to relax and stretch them gently. Visualize calming images during breaks to make the experience more pleasant. Motivate yourself with the positive changes in your vision and aim for relaxed focus rather than strained gaze. Your eyes will be guided by your brain to switch focus and see clearly with relaxed eyes. You don't need to squint to see. When you squint, you prevent natural eye focusing ability. Third, mindful engagement. Over mechanical actions, eye workout done without mindfulness, merely moving your eyes back and forth without feeling the movements wouldn't bring the desired improvements. Engaging in the process, fully focusing on eye movement and finding pleasure in the activity can significantly increase its effectiveness. Your attention to the eye exercises make all the difference. Fourth, perform exercises in a relaxed state. Always begin with relaxation techniques to prepare for your eye exercises. They're the most effective when done in a good mood and with an understanding of the purpose, rather than mechanically. Without relaxation, before doing an eye workout will be low efficiency. At least close your eyes for 10 seconds and imagine how your eyes relax before the eye workout and after each type of eye exercise, like circles, stretching. Fifth, develop visual path gently. Start with a few exercises per session, no more than 1 to maximum 3 repetitions, especially in the early stages. This helps ease muscle tension without overwhelming your eyes. An excellent exercise for everyone involves tracing the outline of a circle, both clockwise and counterclockwise, which can reveal and help alleviate areas of muscle tension. It is very easy to identify where you have slips on a circle. There you get clamps and stagnation of eye muscles. Dive into the world of transformative eye health with our Eyesight Academy course, designed with the best healing vision exercises, innovative eye workouts, and essential tips to enhance your sight naturally. Link in the description below. By following these 5 key principles, avoiding muscle fatigue, enjoying the process, engaging mindfully, starting in a relaxed state, and gently developing visual paths, You will set the stage for noticeable improvements in your vision. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on eye care. If you have any question or want to share your experience, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.